it's Luis from just88.com. And today, I'm going to be showing you not only how to season, but to also maintain your cast iron skillet's luster, sheen, and non-stick powers. Alright, let's get right to it.
Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, and since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not?
So you're the proud new owner of a cast iron skillet. Whether you bought it new, scored it at a yard sale, or are finally getting your family's heirloom skillet, there are a few things you need to know before you start cooking with it. First things first, before you use your cast iron skillet for the first time, wash it in warm soapy water and dry it immediately with a soft cloth. Avoid harsh detergents and scrubbers so you don't disrupt the coating. This first wash removes factory residue or rust bits. Now, I know you're anxious to use your beloved cooking vessel, but before you jump into a lifelong relationship with a cast iron pan, you gotta season it. So let's get to the seasoning. The season on your cast iron skillet is what makes your cast iron skillet non-stick. Classic cast iron skillets should be seasoned before using them, a process of building up a fine coat of fat to create a non-stick surface. Pour a little vegetable oil or canola oil into the skillet. A tablespoon or two is plenty. Vegetable oil is mostly recommended oil used for seasoning, but according to Lodge, you can use any oil of your choice. Use a clean cloth or a paper towel to rub the coat around the entire skillet. Hey, are you enjoying this video? If so, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload another video. When that's over with, flip the skillet over. Don't forget the outside and bottom of the skillet. You want a thin coat of oil around the entire piece. Place the skillet upside down on your oven's center rack. Place a sheet of aluminum foil below the rack to catch any drips and bake for an hour. Turn off the heat and allow the skillet to cool completely before removing from the oven. Once it's cooled down, you're good to go. And lastly, one more thing to note. A seasoned skillet is smooth, shiny, and non-stick. You'll know it's time to reseason if food sticks to the surface or if the skillet appears dull or rusted.
Nice.
It has that glossy sheen.
Yeah.
And that's how you know it's seasoned.
Alright. Thumbs up.
I want to give a shout out to Lee and his cubs from the channel called Smoking Bears, who also has a series on his channel called Cast Iron Wednesdays. Make sure to check out his channel if you're a cast iron aficionado. I also want to give a shout out to an amazing supporter of ours called Scent1000. Thank you for being such a loyal supporter from the bottom of our hearts. Here's the shout out of the week from the last uploaded video. Stay tuned.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my aiders.
See you in the next video.
I'll see you in the next video.
What happened? Take two. Hi.
I also want to give a shout out